Aloha and magandang araw. My name is Iza. I'll be exploring how Filipino cuisine reflects our culture, identity, and sense of community, and how it compares with Hawaiian cuisine, which is also rich with multicultural influences. I chose Hawaii as my partner culture because of the long history shared between Filipinos and Hawaiians, especially through migration and blended culinary traditions. By looking at these two cuisines side by side, we can better understand how food connects people across cultures. Filipino cuisine is a flavorful mix of indigenous traditions and influences from Spain, China, and the United States. It reflects our history and the diversity of our regions. Food is deeply tied to Filipino hospitality. We always make sure guests are fed, even if they arrive unexpectedly. Meals are also central to family and community life, from fiestas and reunions to simple everyday gatherings. Signature dishes like adobo, sinigang, kare-kare, and lechon show how Filipinos use food to celebrate, comfort, and bring people together. Hawaiian cuisine, much like Filipino food, is shaped by many cultures, from native Hawaiian dishes like laulau and poi to Japanese, Filipino, Portuguese, and American influences seen in poke balls, spam musubi, and the popular plate lunch. Both Filipino and Hawaiian cuisines value communal eating. Sharing food is an expression of love, care, and belonging. They both celebrate multiculturalism with flavors and ingredients coming from different parts of the world. However, there are differences too. Filipino dishes tend to be rich, braised, and saucy, while Hawaiian food often highlights freshness, seafood, and fusion influences. These differences show how geography and cultural history shape each cuisine uniquely. To understand these similarities and differences, we can apply a few intercultural communication concepts. Using cultural dimensions, both the Philippines and Hawaii show strong collectivist values. Meals emphasize group harmony and connection. Both cultures also communicate in more high-context ways, where food becomes a nonverbal expression of care. Through cultural dialects, we can see the tension between tradition and innovation, as both cuisines evolve through migration while still preserving their roots. And by practicing intercultural competence, we learn to approach each cuisine with openness, curiosity, and respect, recognizing that food carries cultural meaning beyond taste. This project connects to SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, particularly in the area of cultural heritage preservation. By documenting and appreciating a traditional Filipino and Hawaiian dishes, we help protect cultural heritage, encourage sustainable use of local ingredients, and support the passing down of food traditions to future generations. Through this comparison, I realize how food serves as a bridge between cultures. Filipino and Hawaiian cuisines both tell stories of history, migration, and resilience. Hearing perspectives from Hawaiian and TUFS students helped me appreciate how food reflects identity on a personal and community level. Ultimately, this project taught me that cuisine is more than just something we eat. It's a form of communication, a symbol of heritage, and a powerful tool for cultural connection.